So this is what saving $2,000 on accounting fees look like. It's day one, and we just found a $100,000 mistake that their old accountant had absolutely no idea about. So we onboarded this e-commerce client. They're selling products here in Australia and overseas, mainly to the US, and all of their product comes from China. Pretty standard setup for an e-commerce business on Shopify. The first thing that we do here is review their setup by their previous accountant. And when I went through their numbers, I noticed something so crazy. This Shopify business paid over $100,000 more than they should have. And that's just in one financial year. So you're probably wondering how it happened. Let me break it down. 90% of their sales were international, mostly going to the US. The old accountant didn't understand e-commerce, and this is a big problem. What they did was code every single transaction as if it was a sale in Australia, which meant they paid GST on every single dollar. In over 12 months, that alone was over $60,000 more of extra tax payments to the ATO. That $60,000 could have been extra money that they could have put towards advertising, growing their business, or even putting it into more inventory. But there's another issue. They're importing stock from China. So, they have shipping costs, customs, all of that. You can actually claim a lot of it back, but some of the claimable expenses are hidden. The last accountant couldn't find it, and they just left it there. We found an extra $40,000 of claimable GST, and overall nearly $100,000 of overpaid tax. And that's just in 1 year. And this is what I see all the time. Business owners think that accountants are all the same. So naturally, they just pick the cheapest one. This particular client probably only saved $2,000 in a year, however, have overpaid $100,000 more to the ATO. That's not smart. That's expensive. If you're running an e-commerce business or any business that sells internationally, make sure you have an accountant that understands the game. Not one that just knows how to file tax returns, one that actually understands what you are doing. I've seen this so many times before where business owners go cheap on advice. And when they come and see us, we find out that they've been leaving money on the table for years.